Imagine stepping into your bathroom and instantly feeling like you've entered a luxurious spa. In 2025, the ultimate home trend is all about creating spa-like bathrooms, spaces that calm your senses and restore your energy. From soothing colors to smart lighting and elegant fixtures, today we'll explore how to turn your bathroom into a personal sanctuary of relaxation and style. 1. Calming color palettes. The first step to a spa-like atmosphere is color. Choose soft, natural shades like white, beige, stone gray, or sage green, colors that evoke peace and balance. These tones make the space feel airy, open, and serene, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Add touches of warm wood or matte black accents to maintain a modern, elegant contrast. Design tip: avoid overly bright or bold colors. The goal is calm, not stimulation. 2. Natural materials and textures. Nature-inspired materials are key to the spa aesthetic. Incorporate stone tiles, bamboo shelves, wooden vanities, and linen towels for a tactile, organic feel. These textures not only add depth but also create a connection to nature, one of the main elements of a spa environment. You can also add indoor plants like ferns or peace lilies to purify the air and bring life into the space. Design tip: mix smooth surfaces, like marble or porcelain, with textured ones, like wood or rattan, for a balanced, luxurious look. 3. Luxurious bathtubs and showers. A true spa-like bathroom deserves a statement-soaking tub or walk-in rainfall shower. Freestanding bathtubs are timeless and instantly elevate your bathroom's appeal. If space is limited, go for a frameless glass shower enclosure with elegant fixtures. It creates an open, seamless flow. The trend in 2025 leans toward organic shapes, matte finishes, and minimalist designs that blend comfort with sophistication. Design tip: position your tub near a window or accent wall to create a relaxing focal point. 4. Soft lighting and warm ambience. Lighting defines the mood of your spa retreat. Opt for warm, layered lighting, overhead lights for brightness, wall sconces for balance, and soft LED strips under vanities for subtle glow. Dimmable lights are perfect for transforming the space from a bright morning routine to a calming evening soak. Candles and natural light complete the tranquil atmosphere. Design tip: avoid harsh white light. Warm tones, around 2700 K, are ideal for relaxation. 5. Minimalist decor and hidden storage. A clutter-free space instantly feels more relaxing. Use hidden storage behind mirrors, under vanities, or inside wall niches to keep essentials organized. Display only a few carefully chosen items: a glass jar of bath salts, rolled towels, or a small plant. This minimal approach enhances the spa vibe and keeps your space feeling clean and intentional. Design tip: use matching containers and trays to keep surfaces tidy and elegant. 6. Wellness additions and aromatherapy. Add final touches that engage your senses. Essential oil diffusers, scented candles, and soft towels create a soothing environment. A small Bluetooth speaker or subtle background music can further enhance relaxation. In 2025, more homeowners are integrating smart aromatherapy systems and heated flooring to make their bathrooms true wellness zones. Design tip: use natural scents like lavender, eucalyptus, or sandalwood for calming energy. 7. Finishing touches, the spa experience. Luxury lies in the details. Upgrade your towels to plush cotton or bamboo fabrics. Add a wooden bath tray for your books or candles, and use framed artwork or mirrors for visual elegance. These small enhancements elevate your bathroom from simple to stunning, a place where design meets relaxation. Design tip: choose decor elements that speak to tranquility, nothing too bold or busy. Your bathroom can be more than a functional space. It can be your private retreat, a place to refresh your mind and body every day. By combining natural materials, soothing colors, elegant fixtures, and soft lighting, you can recreate that luxury spa feeling right at home. For custom bathroom designs, professional installations, and modern interior solutions, visit fixitdubai.ae, Dubai's trusted name in home transformations. Bring serenity and style into your home with Fixit Dubai. where relaxation meets refined design.